Hi everyone, my name is Danny and I am one half of Bright Light Education. This week we are going to help you to understand how to improve your sentences. We receive a lot of messages, talk to a lot of clients who say that their children find it hard to create really super sentences. Sometimes their sentences don't quite make sense. So hopefully in the next few minutes, we will give you some tips on how to improve your sentences. So let's get going. Right, here we go. Here we have an image. Why don't you get yourself some lined paper? And I want you to write a very simple sentence. You have 10 seconds. Off you go. Very simple sentence. I'm going to come up with the lady walked to the park. Okay, so perhaps if you haven't got one down yet, let's have a write down in a very simple sentence. The lady walked to the park. Not very exciting, is it? Doesn't tell us much, and we're going to learn how we can up level that sentence in some different ways. Tip number 1, I now want you to turn this sentence into a short sentence. It's already a short sentence, but I want you to change the verb and create it to make it slightly more exciting, slightly more dramatic. So short sentences can help to create a dramatic, exciting effect. Personally, change that word walked, that verb. It's not very exciting. It doesn't tell me how she is moving. Doesn't have to be related to this picture. This picture is just there to give you a little bit of inspiration. So you've got 5 seconds. Off you go. Here are my ideas. The lady zoomed towards the park gates. The lady raced towards the park gates. The lady hurtled. I love that verb, hurtled. The lady hurtled towards the park gates. So simply by keeping it a short sentence, we can up level that sentence by just changing the verb. Zoomed, raced, hurtled. There are so many. Look up in a thesaurus, look up the word walk and think of as many synonyms as you can. Maybe create a mind map of different ways to use to say the word walk without using walk. Stumbled. Yeah, there are loads and loads that you can come up with. So that's my tip number 1. Tip number 2, can you create a long sentence? Long sentences can help to create this never-ending, continuous feel. You have 5 seconds. Let's try to make it longer and have a more descriptive, some more descriptive words in there to create a never-ending, continuous feel. Off you go. Okay, here are my suggestions. The lady sauntered leisurely. We've got a wonderful verb here, sauntered, and we have an adverb, leisurely. The lady sauntered leisurely towards the steel gates of the Royal Botanical Gardens. It's a longer sentence and it's got more of a never-ending feeling of her sauntering leisurely towards the park. The lady ambled peacefully towards the steel gates of the Royal Botanical Gardens. Ambled, another verb. There are so many verbs you can use rather than just using walk. Tip number 3. Compound sentences. The lady walked to the park. I want you to now join 2 main clauses with a coordinating conjunction. You have 5 seconds. Go. Here are my suggestions. The lady zoomed towards the park, but The gates were firmly shut. The lady ambled peacefully towards the steel gates of the Royal Botanical Gardens, and she admired the autumnal leaves along the way. So create a compound sentence. Well done. Number 4, tip number 4, complex sentences. Join a main and a subordinating clause together with a subordinating conjunction. 5 seconds, off you go. Here are my ideas. As she raced towards the path leading to the park, a sudden noise rang out from behind a nearby bush. The lady was ambling peacefully towards the steel gates of the Royal Botanical Gardens when a sudden noise rang out from behind a bush. You're getting the hang of things. Oh, number 5, tip number 5, the last one is a rhetorical question. The lady walked to the park. Would she make it to the park on time? Rhetorical questions can share the emotions of the character and they can build suspense. What was that noise ringing out from behind the bush? 2 wonderfully rhetorical questions, one creating suspense. Well, they both create suspense. One of them helps to show her emotions as well. These skills are inside our creative writing skills book. Our creative writing skills book is packed full of skills to help your child learn how to write well. There is a section on sentences, in particular on sentence structure, like we've learned today, but also another section on opening, sentence openers as well. It is full. It is 84 pages long, full of skills to support your child with creative writing. We are Bright Light Education. We are a tutoring business run by Charlotte and myself. We run education courses. We run comprehension courses, creative writing courses, 11+ interview workshops. We also have a super network of tutors if you are looking for one-to-one services. We always receive lovely feedback. We work so hard to make sure each client is happy with the service that we provide. Our creative writing courses are 12 weeks long, allowing time for real progression to be made. They are designed and delivered by qualified teachers and creative writing specialists. They are fully interactive. We have constructive feedback throughout the course and during homework. The course is taught online, allowing maximum time to be given to learning. There are always a maximum of 6 children per class, giving personalised support to each and every child. The creative writing courses go from year 2 all the way to year 6, including 11+ preparation. And in our 2021 annual review, 100% of respondents stated they were very satisfied with the Bright Light Education course their child attended, and it doesn't get much better than that. We do work so hard to make sure our courses are a success for the children. Thank you very much. I hope that was helpful, and head to our website if you would like to find out more information. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Ask the Expert videos, and contact us anytime. Thank you.